Hey guys, this is Mekazani here, the how-to mock of the exo suit from my article. Let's take a look at its parts. Here first we have ballless part, the Matoran. Here we have the red Kanohi Huna mask. Just some technique stuff. For socket joints, one of these upper arm, upper leg bones. For short bones, 3 of these red Matoran feet, and then one of the Metru head with a ball joint here, and then this actual attachment to put the mask in, and then other little pin attachment, which actually is for axles, but this doesn't really stick that much, but so whatever. That's it for Balls' parts. So let's take a look at the exosuit. So, see here. Here we have some technical parts. Two of these pieces, which have two of these 3 pin attachments going down, and then one ball joint in the middle. And let's see. And then we have, let's see here, a whole bunch of bones. Oops. Yeah. We have 4 of these white main chest armor pieces. And we have one of this little sticker going down there. We have 2 of these plasma shooter pieces. Three more socket joints. One of the hero chest armor pieces, the total black. 4 more main chest armor pieces in black as well. Yeah, let's see. 4 friction joints. 2 of these 4 black armor pieces. One of these main chest armor pieces used in the Ultra build in Marvel. This is in white with the little sticker I put on there. This was first used on Hulk. Now it's okay. And then we have 2 feet, but these are the 2-toed type. I don't know why they would put 2-toed in a foot, but these were the largest feet I could find. And we have one of the short hero bodies with 2 extra ball attachments there. We have the extra long body with the 2 ball attachments there. So that's it for parts. Let's get to the build. is my mock of the exotoa and the exosuit. Take a look at it from some different angles. See how it's built. So I know I didn't introduce the two white 3-armor pieces, and then this last blue 3-armor piece, and then this cutting spike right here. Whatever. So anyway, this is what the mark looks like. So normally the Balta wouldn't be in there. It would be the Toa Mata, Tahu, Gali, Pohatu, Kabaka, Liwa, and Oliwa, the 6 Toa. Either one of them would be in there. But I'm not gonna go through the trouble of building something else when I can just build a simple Matoran in less than a few seconds. So the blaster can shoot. I just didn't put the one of those little spheres in there. And I'm tired. I don't know why they didn't put spheres in there. Oh, here you go. So this cutting blade is made of rubber. So is that a rubbery part? So that is my mock of the exosuit.